Raspberry Pi and Sony recently released a new AI camera and provided various models in their repository. I can search for it in Google and open a GitHub link. If we explore their Model Zoo, we can see many options, except for the popular YoloV model.
Oh.
Does the Sony IMX500 support it? The answer is yes, it does, and I will show where to find it. Let's start by googling Sony IMX500 YoloV8. We find some GitHub links and they lead to 404 pages. This suggests it was once available, but now it has been removed. So what can we do? I didn't expect this to be so easy. Let's check the commit history.
What? No way.
It appears that the model was removed from the official repository due to licensing issues with Ultralytics. I don't work for Sony or for Ultralytics, so I'm not sure what happened there or if it will be back in the repository. What I do know is how to download it now from there. First, I'll return to the Model Zoo repository and clone it to my laptop. Then copy the commit hash from a commit just before the deletion. Then I will use the command git checkout hash to revert the repository to that state. Finally, I have the YoloV8 model from Ultralytics on my disk. Let's test it. Now I'm connecting to my Raspberry Pi. As usually, I've prepared a repository that could be used for a test. It's really simple. Clone and run install.sh script. Then it will reboot and I can reconnect. Finally, I'll run recognition.py script to showcase object detection with YoloV8. The same trick works for Sony's model optimization repository. Just search for YOLO in the commits and you will find the original code. For convenience, I've copied it into my own repository linked in the description below. That's it. Enjoy using YOLO. And remember, commit history is a useful tool for someone like me. Stay safe. Cheers.